How to fix iMessage and FaceTime activation error. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your settings app. You'll see the option of airplane mode. Toggle on for that option. Now wait for 30 seconds and then toggle off for this option. Now you can check whether it is working or not. Now heading towards next solution, scroll down. You'll see the option of FaceTime. Open it. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. If you have already toggle on for this option, you can disable it and again enable it. Likewise, head back, go to the option of messages, toggle on for this option. In the case you have already enabled it, you can disable it and wait for a few seconds and again enable it. Now you can check whether your problem is solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings, head towards the option of general, scroll all the way down, go to the option of transfer or reset iPhone, tap on the option reset, select the option of reset network settings. Now enter passcode over here and continue with the process. After you reset your network settings, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID, open it. At the bottom, you'll see the option of sign out, tap on it. After you sign out of your Apple ID, restart your device and again sign in back to your Apple ID. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix iMessage and FaceTime activation error. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.